Okay, shall I go Danish?
I think you have gathered ideas, and you
Yes,
see how giving
some
it
of
time
my ideas.
actually gives you ideas. No,
Yes, yes, you're right. Right.
you may start now.
Mhm. First of all, every every middle class family has some loans regarding something. And yeah, first of all, I'll clear all the loans, and then
Okay, okay. Probably start with introducing the topic, like the statement itself. If
okay,
I
what?
found,
Okay,
yeah,
if I found $1 million, if I found $1 million,
I would
I would
take it
I
in
would
form
clear
of good.
all the I would clear all the loans, and I would put it to build a great house, my dream house, and I I would buy a lot of, I mean, gadgets, laptops, and iPhone. I mean, yeah, expensive gadgets, and also I would travel all the India. I mean, I have not traveled any places a lot. I haven't traveled a lot of places, so
Okay.
I would go for trips, and and also uh, even if we keep spending the money, we would it would be, I mean, finished. And so I would I would try to uh, I would try to I'm not getting the word.
Save it,
Yeah, I would try to what
save it, save the money.
saving, and I mean putting in
A fixed
something to
deposit,
increase,
like
fixed deposit.
invest.
Yeah, invest. Yeah, yeah. I would like to. I would invest in uh, some things. I mean,
Where would you like to
there are
invest?
stock markets and
I would
trading.
invest
Yeah,
in. Mhm.
I would win. Yeah, I would invest it in stock markets, or tradings, and yeah, and also I'm really a kind of person who is interested in music, so I would buy some musical instruments and try to learn it.
Yeah,
And
because they're expensive, aren't they?
yeah, yes, yes,
Like,
because
mhm. Which musical instrument would you buy?
I'd buy guitar,
Mm. Okay,
and
cool.
and I've seen some videos from Veena Shrivani. She is a great uh, Veena player, because Veena is uh, Veena is uh, so many people think that Veena is an old musical instrument. So uh, there if we play it, there would be, I mean, it's old people's instrument, but it is not. Veena Shrivani has taken the initiation uh, to make people interested in playing the Veena. So
Uh-huh.
I'm one of the persons who who
Follow her,
has
yeah.
got interested in learning Veena. So
Mm. Lovely.
it's quite expensive. So
Is it?
yeah, yes, it is.
How
And
much
yeah,
does it cost?
I know. I think 20,000. I think. I
$20,000.
don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, I haven't searched about it, but I am guessing.
But you just know. You
Yeah,
have
yeah,
an idea.
yeah,
Okay. What else would you do with this? $1 million we're talking about. It's not
yeah.
just 1 lakh or something. Like
$10 lakh.
you can just get 1 lakh, and
Yeah,
purchase stuff like that. But
yes,
$1 million. That's filthy money. A lot of
yeah,
money.
yes, yes. And I'm not getting more than these ideas.
So you
And
said you want to
I
travel.
would like
Mhm.
to, yeah, 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 yeah. I like to
Where
travel.
would you travel? Where?
I would travel all over the India with the famous places, Taj Mahal. I mean, Amritsar, there is a, um, yeah, I
I'm
would
from
like to,
Amritsar, yes, yeah.
yeah, I would like to visit your place, and
It doesn't charge, much. It doesn't cost much to visit
okay,
Amritsar, actually. You don't need
okay.
$1 million to come to Amritsar. Probably you should plan for Disneyland.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. And
Okay,
also
okay.
I would go abroad.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
I would go abroad. Yeah, I would also go abroad if I had $1 million. I would go abroad anyway. I won't wait for $1 million. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely.
Those
I
are
gather
all.
that you're not very materialistic. Any materialistic person would have actually come up with a lot of ideas. It's actually sometimes, the topic is not doesn't vibe with our soul. So you are not a very materialistic person. You're more into experiences, I believe. You are more
Yes, yes,
into, not just things but experiences. So
yes,
yeah,
yes. You're right. Yeah,
I
lovely.
get that. Yeah. Nice. Okay, another topic for you. Quickly, we'll cover this. If you could be a character from a movie, who would it be and why?
From if you could be a character from any movie,
Yeah, you
who
can be
would it
somebody
be and why?
from a movie. Some movie you love. You wanted to play the protagonist, the main lead. Then I should have been playing this.
Character. Yeah, when I was watching movies, I have imagined myself as a lead character, but I not getting any. I mean, right now
Any
I got
Hollywood
getting
movie,
any
any
movies.
Hollywood movie that you can think of?
Yeah. Actually, when I am watching Friends, I watched all the
Yeah,
10 seasons.
yeah. You could talk
Friends.
about Friends. Yeah, if you
Yeah,
could be any character from Friends.
I would be Chandler. No, no, Chandler. I would be Ross actually.
Make up
Yeah,
your
I
mind.
would. Ross Geller, and yeah,
Why
I'm
why would you be Ross?
because I would like to be. Uh, I mean, a knowledgeable person, a passionate. He is very passionate about towards I mean, geology. I think no,
Geology?
dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. A study about dinosaurs.
I think that's called paleontology.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He is a paleontologist. Yeah, but I'm not a. I'm not interested towards paleontology, but
You would
yeah, I will.
pursue something that is.
That is what I'm passionate about. Yeah, and
Uh-huh.
also he sometimes corrected the mistakes, but about pronunciations. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm that kind of person. If
He's a
anyone,
grammar Nazi.
yeah, yeah,
He's a grammar Nazi.
grammar Nazi, yeah. If-
Okay. Okay. You would
and
be a grammar Nazi. Okay.
you would have watched the uh, clip about unagi, not sofa. Favorite.
I've seen one where I think Phoebe tries to teach French to
Uh,
somebody.
okay.
This guy is like completely, he's a big time nincompoop. He's,
Okay.
messing with the language. He's actually making
Yeah.
fun of the whole thing, but it's quite funny how most of the people who don't learn foreign languages, they can relate to it because it's all nini poo poo to them.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can relate to all of the characters of the Friends, and sometimes I'm crazy like Phoebe, and
Yeah. Yeah,
yeah,
you would be soon featured on the next season of Friends probably because they'll come across such a
yeah,
humongous
Union,
fan of
yes,
the series. Nice. Okay, you made some little mistakes. I'll tell you about those. In the first scenario, you wanted to say in Hindi. If I say, you would say कि कभी ना कभी पैसे सारे खत्म हो जाते, so मैं कुछ invest करता, right?
okay, yeah,
Okay, you used the word finish and you were facing some difficulty phrasing this whole thought. It would have been better if you said it like, eventually I would
eventually,
run out of the money.
oh
Okay,
yes, yes,
I would run out of, so basically जब चीजें खत्म होती we say we run out of something.
yes,
Okay, so eventually I would run out of the money, so I would like to invest money in
yes,
shares or purchase a Bitcoin probably. People are
okay,
buying Bitcoins these days.
yes,
And there's no word like knowledgeful, there is a word knowledgeable.
knowledgeable, okay, knowledgeable.
Yeah. Great. That's lovely. That's really nice.
Yes,
Uh,
this is my main problem when I'm talking. I know all the that run out of time knowledgeable. I know that's, but while I was speaking, I'll confuse, and
while speaking.
yeah, while speaking, I was baffled.
I get baffled.
to
You get baffled?
I confused. I
Okay,
think
okay.
yeah.
Completely. Baffled is like when you get completely confused, flustered, totally.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
No
that was
problem.
my
Actually,
main issue with the
this
English.
is something that actually comes with time. You give the language time, you keep practicing. Practice is the key here. The more you speak, the more time you get to include these phrases in your speaking, right? Like now that you have come across, now that somebody has corrected you, so the next time you would want to say something like kuch khatam ho jata hai, so you'll quickly think, okay, no, I have
Run
to
off.
use run out of concept here. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's only by practice, only by when somebody rectifies you, correction, a lot of correction, positive criticism is something
Yeah.
that makes you better at speaking. Be patient
Yeah.
with it. Your
Yes,
journey
you're
has just
correct.
started,
Yes.
and I hope
And
you'll be great.
I watched your journey, English journey yesterday. Yeah, you have shared with Mega. Yeah.
Okay. My language acquisition journey. Okay, what
Yes.
did you learn from it?
Yeah. That's what just you said. I should learn. I should give language some time to
Yeah,
get fluent in it.
yeah. Just let it grow on you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. You'll soon be, the flowers of the language will be blooming on you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, and stay as passionate as you are and so smiling you are.
Thank you.
It's really
So do
nice.
you.
Thank you so much. So are you. So are you.
So are you, sir. So are you. Okay.
Okay. Great. I think that would be all for today's session with
We have run.
you. Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. We are
we have to
almost
wrap up.
running. We are running
Yeah.
out of time.
Yeah. That's what I'm going to use now.
Nice. Okay, this has been a lovely session with you. I actually look forward to doing more videos with you and see you grow through your journey. And
Thank you.
if you need any assistance from the team, they're always available to you. You can reach out
Yeah.
to me through them, and we'll have a session very soon. Okay.
Thank you. Have a great
Great.
day.
You too.
Then
You too.
it was lovely talking to you.
Likewise, Pradeep. Best of luck with your channel.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Then.